In this video, we're gonna check what is the maximum camera zoom that we have on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So we're gonna open the camera, we're gonna start with the photo mode, and of course we're gonna choose 12 megapixels first in order to see if it makes any difference. Let's press and hold our finger over here, and let's swipe all the way to the maximum zoom. And as you can see, the maximum zoom when using 12 megapixels is 100x. We're gonna switch to 50 megapixels, and in this case the maximum zoom is 30x. It's quite impressive. Now, besides that, of course, we have the video mode, and let's actually use 4K resolution, 30 FPS without HDR, and no video boost. And let's see what is the maximum value. It is 20x. We're gonna increase to 8K resolution, and in this case it is 5x. Let's also check 4K 30 FPS with video boost if it makes any difference. It's 20 again, so I don't think it does. In the case of 60 frames per second, it is also just 20x. And let's check full HD resolution, and it is 20x as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.